Elon should get off Twitter for sure. It's a distraction, and intelligent people like to debate, so they're suckered into these crazy debates with trolls and even intelligent people. So he should get off Twitter 100%. In terms of his tweet, I like the way he phrased the tweet. Am considering taking Tesla private. He's letting everybody know at the same time. Now, if he had done this in the background and started hiring bankers and letting them know that he's considering this, well, those people would have an information advantage over everybody else. So I like the idea of everybody gets the information at once.
Part? Considering was subtle, secured was not.
I think that's accurate as well. The Saudis were building up this 3, 4, 5% position. They offered multiple times to invest in the company and help them take it private. And as we all know, Tesla had a long dance with Google. Apple made overtures. There are 2 or 3 dozen sovereign wealth funds and companies both here and in China who could easily write $5, $10, $20 billion checks to take the company private. So I think the funding secured is accurate. I mean, if the Saudis are offering it, then it's accurate. And he's considering it. He framed it perfectly. And I think it's all these Tesla shorts who are trying to spread fear, uncertainty, and doubt. When you look at the facts about Tesla, the Wall Street Journal said the Model 3 is a thrilling modern marvel. They went from producing 2,000 cars every 2 or 3 years with the Roadster to doing 5,000 a week. People can't shut up about how much they love the car. And the Monroe Associates folks who are, rip these cars apart piece by piece, say it's got a 30% margin, and they're wildly impressed by it. The facts show that this company and the Saudis interested in it, and Apple's interested in it, and Google's interested in owning it. That shows that this is a company for the ages. Now, there might be some balance sheet issues on the margin, but these shorts are 100% wrong, and they're toast.
Well, short sellers aside, Jason, when you have reports that the SEC is, putting subpoenas out there, you have investor lawsuits, and you actually, short sellers aside, have a company that's been able to basically tap unlimited funding from the public markets. Does it make sense for Tesla to go private? Will it go private? I'm going to put my odds on it going private, since when Elon is a very competitive and driven person, we're personally friends. I don't trade the stock, but I've known Elon since before Tesla. This is not the type of executive you want to give extra motivation to. And when all those shorts start making his life hell and spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt constantly, it motivates an executive like Elon Musk to then overperform and sleep on the factory floor and hit the numbers they need to hit. So you've basically taken a person who doesn't need motivation, and you've given them extraordinary motivation. It is a horrible, horrible way to work a short position. It would be like telling LeBron James he's going to lose and he's horrible. Like, he's going to come out and score 50 points. That's exactly what Elon Musk is doing. He's coming out here and he's dunking on everybody. I would like to see Elon take SpaceX, Boring Company, and Tesla and put it into Elon Inc., take it private, and then once a year or every 6 months, allow people to trade the shares. And that would be a much better way to build the future. I'm giving him a little bit of credit.
A little bit of credit.
Great individual. He's a great individual player. Not a team player, but a great individual player.